giraffes approaching the defender. They do coexist.
Oh god, I think he is in the car! Oh my god!
Can you hear him?
I can hear it! I can't see it though, I don't know where it is.
There he is!
Don't you dare.
Record
Do not.
Me, record me. Do a video of me.
Could you not? Could you please not?
Should I? Should I?
For fuck's sake.
He's got it! He's fucking got it! He's tearing it! Don't want to alarm you, but your radio area was gone. It's gone! It's bugged! He's at it! Oh Jesus Christ!
It's horrible!
Why are they attracted to us? Amy, I want one.
I don't.
If we open a window fast enough, I can pull it in before anyone.
Could you not? Could you stop? Slowly start. Oh, there's the dad. Hello, Dad.
That one's fucking huge.
For it. Where are your parents, little friend? Sam, it likes you.
Are you going to give it a pet or are you going to be a wimp?
A little bit scared, not gonna lie.
Do you want to get back to your goat friends?
Sam, it loves you. How have you escaped, little one? Really? You did that all by yourself, did you? Oh my god, Sam. Sam. There's so many of them.
There's an even smaller one.
Oh my god. Oh, Sam, I want it. I want to protect it. So you're probably wondering what happened to the Mini. The very next day, Sam and I took it down to a dealership where they gave us a pretty fair price, considering half the front of it was missing. And long story short, I pick up my new car on Friday. I think I kind of knew going into Longleat that this was the Mini's final farewell. All in all though, it's been a really reliable car and I'm actually kind of sad to be getting rid of it. It was just a fun first car and I'm kind of a little bit sad. It's like the end of an era, like getting my second car and growing up and becoming an adult and sorting out all the car insurance and the tax and everything that comes with buying a new car. So that's really, really exciting. Something else that's rather exciting is that Sam and I have finally booked our wedding venue. I know, it's crazy. We were kind of putting it off and putting it off and putting it off, but it got to the point where we were like, this is ridiculous. Like, we need to start actually doing this because we can't keep using the coronavirus as an excuse not to get married. Next October is when we're getting married. I can't wait. I'm gonna get married. This is crazy. Regardless though, I hope you enjoyed this week's vlog and as always, take care of yourselves. Bye.